Dr. Marim Musheshe, Vice Chancellor wa African Rural University kushomesa by'obuhingi n'entunguka z'ebyanga omu Africa najangwa itaka bwa hati tiri kugobera abahingi abo kugira ngo tirine rwezo ruri kumara kandi yashobora enshonga habwenki abahingi bari kutekwa kumanya birisa ebiri mu mataka gabo batakahingire
ebyo kuri mu itaka birumu bitubikurugaye hati ntitwamba no basa kubeine orwezo bezwa botene maize orwezo tukarugo mu itaka rukazombimera no basa kuboina maize kandi itakaritene rwezo abo kubaruka hwamo
hati kinwe ekyoma obensa heno eremu ebintu bino byokozesa ekintu ekikuru mune kiri omunsawo niyo yinyumu giyeta memeta mita ekupima urunyi
washisha obuhangwa katugambe wateme bibira enjura ekarema kugwa nkimanyisa ngo amezi nigija kucendera hati umuhingi takuta kutunga amezi gakumara omusiri ibintu nibiyoma
Sengozi yashabira abahingi okwakira enkoreje yo kucebera itaka nukwe babase kugoborera mu itaka lyabo
abalimi nyakubasabira ekintu kimwe mulike kweganya basomere byasanze bya agriculture tukimanyire ngubo bayija bali a level ya iguru muno okuyinyonyora baitu kino ekyoma cyangu muno kukyegesa omuntu wa hansi
babahango mu by'obuhingi oburisa hamwe no kurinda enyamishwa ezo mu ihamba bajangwe enkoreji neija kubeyo muhenda abahingi abo kube byo kurya nebiza kweyongera kandi ikintu kiza kuheraho kumara henjara mu bantu ba Africa
because soil health is very very important for making sure that you get the best yield and the best quality and it's very cost effective so it can change if people know how they can improve the health of their soil then they can adopt this method as farmers and improve things
whereby they are training farmers to do simple soil analysis. Farmers are able to understand the POM, the particular organic matter in the soil, the pH. We are also collaborating with FIPS.
Each Pueblo nations have their own indigenous seeds that they've had for many, many years. And so we're being challenged right now. We're being challenged with protecting those, also them being genetically modified.
Uruterane rw'ebyobuhingi n'oburisa rumazire biro mu district ya Kagadi rugenderere kugaruzaho ebyobuhangwa okugaruzaho ebyokurya by'obunyakare okurinda itaka n'amagara marungi omu bantu okwetorora ensi yona uruterane oru rwetabiremu abahangwa 16 barukweta social entrepreneurs okurwa mu mahanga mushanju nka Rwanda, Kenya, Zambia, USA, Malawi, Tanzania hamwe na Uganda. Gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.